Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 20 small business ideas that you can start right here in South Africa. And the best part, we're breaking down each opportunity with the numbers you care about. Potential earnings, and what it takes to get started, all in good old rands. Whether you're looking to become your own boss full-time or just want a side hustle to bring in some extra cash, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The demand for online education is exploding. Become an online tutor and turn your knowledge into a profitable business. Selling online is easier than ever. Launch your own e-commerce store and tap into the power of global marketplaces. Every business needs online help. Start a digital marketing agency and help businesses thrive in the digital world. A clean home is a happy home. Start a home cleaning service with low overhead and high demand. Help others achieve their fitness goals. Become a certified personal trainer and build a rewarding career. Offer the ultimate convenience with a mobile car wash business. Low startup costs and a service everyone needs. Graphic design services. From logos to websites, graphic designers are always in demand. Freelance your skills and build your portfolio. Social media management. Businesses need help navigating social media. Become a social media manager and grow their online presence. Food delivery service. Everyone loves a good takeaway. Start a food delivery service and capitalize on the ever-growing food industry. Turn your creativity into cash. Sell your handmade crafts online and at local markets. Pet lovers rejoice. Offer pet sitting services and care for furry friends while their owners are away. From weddings to corporate events, become an event planner and create unforgettable experiences. Blogging. Share your passions with the world. Start a blog, grow your audience, and monetize your content. Virtual assistant. Busy professionals need help. Become a virtual assistant and provide administrative, technical, or creative support. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce business without holding inventory. Dropshipping offers low risk and high reward potential. Love to cook? Become a personal chef and create customized meals for busy individuals and families. Help people create their dream outdoor spaces. Start a landscaping business and watch your business grow. The app market is booming. Learn mobile app development and bring your innovative ideas to life. Bridge the language barrier and offer translation services to businesses and individuals. Share your expertise and become an online coach, helping others achieve their goals in any field. And there you have it, 20 small business ideas to get those entrepreneurial wheels turning. Remember, the most important step is to take action. Choose an idea that resonates with your skills and passions, and start building your dream. Whether you're looking to invest a little or a lot, there's something on this list for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business journey.